Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing this little ghosty ghoul look, and the first product that I'm taking is the Plouise base. You guys will see me use this every single time before I go in with any eyeshadow because it's just a fantastic base. But you could use concealer if you don't have any Plouise base. So I'm basically just starting off with a green cut crease. I'm going in using the Plouise, the black eyeshadow palette that she came out with Halloween for like a couple of years ago, the black one. I'm using that one, and we're taking all the kind of greeny bluey shades from that, and we're just basically creating a basic kind of cut crease. So these shades here, I'm just taking a variety of them, and we're creating like a deep green cut crease, darkening the outer edge, lightening the inner edge. And we are going in with some of the shimmers as well, the lights and the dark shimmers, just to make it a little bit sparkly. We're just cutting the crease and going in with some of the shimmer shades. So basically the idea behind this one was actually supposed to be bats, but I kind of messed it up, so I changed it and just done like the ghosts, because I wanted to kind of do like a kind of ghosty theme anyway this year. It's basically just wee ghosties coming out the face, or like ghosties like coming out of like smoke. So I made it all green, and we've done like a kind of green theme here, and this is basically like the green smoke coming out the face. So you'll see I'm using different kind of stippling methods here, using different brushes, and I'm just trying to make it look like smoke, and the little ghosts are flying out the smoke. So I'm just going in with some white face paint, and we're just drawing on the little ghosties. And we're just filling them in with the same white face paint. This white face paint is from the Athena palette from Ucanbe. Absolutely fantastic palette, great for Halloween looks, creative looks, things like that. You can use it straight from the palette, you don't have to water it down. They are super pigmented, and yeah, fantastic face palette, especially if you want to do Halloween looks and stuff. I will make sure that I leave the products in the description for you guys to have a wee look at. So I'm just filling in these little ghosties. Then I just add the little eyes and the mouth with some black eyeliner. I'm using a little dotted tool to do that. I'm also just doing a little bit of shading around the ghosties, just to make them stand out a little bit from the background. I am also going over the face paint with some white eyeshadow, just to make it a little bit more pigmented, and so that it stops like any kind of cracks or creases or lines or anything like that. So now I'm just using a little dotted tool, and we're just going in with some black eyeliner. We're drawing on the little faces of the ghosties. I thought this look could be quite fun if like you have a Halloween party or something, but you don't know what you want to be, but you want to be something quite quick. This is quite quick and quite easy and quite fun to draw on. Now I'm just taking a dark green eyeshadow. This one is Nile by Peaches and Cream, I believe. And I'm just adding that to my waterline. I'm now just taking some of these shimmery colours and we're just adding that to around about the ghosties. I just wanted to make it look like the ghosties were kind of flying out of like a green smoke. That's the kind of vibe I was going for here. So we're just adding a lot of different colours, a lot of different kind of shimmers and stuff. A little bit of mascara and a little lash as well from Louise. Now I'm just filling in my lips here. I've just went in with a little bit of black eyeliner and I've just added that shimmer to my lips as well. I am going in with these little BPerfect ones. These are the little shimmer ones. I'll leave everything in the description so you know exactly what it is. But they just have like little iridescent kind of glitters, so it's kind of making it a little bit shimmery and stuff. I ended up adding a little bit of glitter as well, just to kind of jazz it up and make it a little bit more fun. And I do put this on the lips too. Just popping on a little Louise lash here. This is from the Trio. I've been loving these lashes because they seem to go on quite good. It's the first time, so I've been loving these. And this is this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know if you recreate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all the usual jazz. And I'll see you guys in my next video.